Hello everybody! Welcome my friends to another unboxing. Today we open up the replacement for my old multi-tool. I have it right here. It's actually one of the first from my collection of knives and multi-tools. A little beaten up. One side is very loose. So unfortunately it needs to be replaced because it's just very old. But I ordered a fresh one right here from my favorite YouTubers. Or at least one of my favorite YouTube channels. Goonzquad. They are very cool. They rebuild cars. So let's crack this baby. Oh, might not even need to cut it. Well, that didn't open cleanly. Seems only right to use this one more time. So, find a blade. We'll use the serrated. It's very loose. Unfortunately, I do not have the right type of screwdriver to fix this. And we will give this one little slice. Maybe another just to be safe. And we have access. Alright, there we go. So let's bring it out. Box is a little tiny bit beaten up. That's alright. Let's open it up. See what we're working with. Very nice. Comes with its own little pouch too. A little more of a plain pouch than this, which was a Sheffield. Very old, very beaten up. And Velcro. Very cool. Oh, nice. Look at this. We got attachments. Have a look at this. Attachments for various screws, types of screws. Maybe one of these can fix this multi-tool. Never know. But let's bring out the tool itself and see what we're working with. Oh, very cool. Nice. Whew. I like it already. It's a brownish color. Doesn't show up the greatest on camera, but that's okay compared to black and silver. I like both. Has its own little set of screw heads, and I'm guessing this is a ratchet. Already does more than this one. Has the brothers right here, their logo, Goonzquad. Nice. There's their pliers. About the same size. Well, this one is spring-loaded, while this maybe not as effectively spring-loaded. Let's look at the sides. We got straight edge knife. Oh, that didn't sound good. Uh-oh. Please tell me I didn't just break this thing. Oh, crap. Well, moving on. I'll try to fix that later. You got a serrated blade. Oh, maybe it just locks in place. I'll just have to figure out how to unlock it. No big deal. Got Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver, which makes me wonder, where do these attach? Click and click. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go. And here's how we unlock them. The release mechanism, close that for a second, is right here. So you press this, just like so, and everything goes back. Perfect. That is good to know. Alright. Folds nice neatly. Let's open up this side and see what we got. On this side we have can opener. This also had it, but none of these lock in place. They just open, easily close. So this is already many times better than our current one. Another set of screwdrivers, I guess, or maybe more can openers. Never been entirely sure. And then we have a nice file. This did not have that. Locks in place. And we press, button it all up. Now the big question I have to figure out now, where do these come in? Time to have a close look at these things. See where they could attach, potentially. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Might have just figured it out, potentially. No, that's not it. I don't know where I got that idea from. Alright, well. That shall have to be a puzzle for another time. But overall, Goonzquad, you guys have come out with another very cool product. Very practical. I love the case with its two pockets for both of everything. Fits nicely. Nice attachment to be able to wear it on my belt. I definitely plan to do that. So that's going to do it for today's video. I actually have two others I was going to do a couple weeks ago, but unfortunately I was not able to due to being sick and not being able to stop coughing long enough to film. So those two products, which are right here, I've got one right here and one right here. These are Conqueror Challenge medals that I will be filming a little bit further down the road. So definitely keep an eye out for these. Till then though, I will see you all next time.